I want to talk today about WordPress comment spam. Now, if you already have a pre-existing WordPress site, you may have encountered tons of spam in your inbox and on your comments. There's one simple plugin you can use to eliminate spam comments from your WordPress website. Now, what you want to do is go to Akismet. It's anti-spam protection for WordPress. You'll have to have a WordPress.com account. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Okay, I've already signed in. So we're going to add a subscription to, let's see, I'm going to take the plus. It's $5 per month per site. I'm going to click Get Plus. Okay, so I've spared you the details of me typing in all of that info into the Akismet site, and then click Continue. And then I'll show you how to upload this plugin and install it into your WordPress site. It does cost $5 a month, but the time it will save you is totally worth it. Okay, it says here we're going to go to the WordPress dashboard, click the Akismet settings, and copy the API key above. So we need this API key. I'm actually going to blur mine out so you can't see it. And then click the Connect with API Key button. So I'm going to go over to my WordPress dashboard. And we're going to go to Upload Plugin. Let's see. After we go to our WordPress dashboard, we're going to go down to Plugins. And we're going to click Add New. And here's Akismet Anti-Spam. And if you don't have it in your WordPress site already, you can download it, but I think it should be in there already. Click Install Now. And then Activate. And this will protect your website from getting a bunch of spammy comments. So then we're going to set up a Akismet account. Let's see, I've already paid for this. So, oops, I just realized up here on the top right, it says already have an API key, which I do. I have it copied into my clipboard. Okay, now we're in the WordPress dashboard and we're going to scroll down to Settings and click on Akismet Anti-Spam. I was already there once. And then click Manually Enter an API Key. And then I'm going to paste in that API key and click Connect with API Key. Akismet is now protecting your site from spam. Happy blogging. Your key is here. You can show the number of approved comments. You can discard the worst and most pervasive spam so you don't even have to deal with it. Or you can put it into a folder as review. So that's what I'm going to do. Display a privacy notice under your comment forms. I'm just going to keep all of the settings how they are as they are right now. And that's all you need to do to protect your website from spammy comments on your blog. Hope this has been helpful. And if you like this video, please click like and subscribe to my channel for more WordPress tips.